TVA does a lot of important things with water, so they understand that we need to keep our water healthy. We all like to use the water to do fun activities, but we're not the only ones that use it. There are many plants and animals that live in the river and its streams and lakes, and any plant or animal life that uses water as their home or habitat for at least a portion of its life cycle, that's called aquatic life. Now remember that word aquatic life. It's going to be part of an important question that we ask. At TVA, we have a really important job called an environmental scientist. Environmental scientists have specialties and work to protect the earth from pollution. They conduct research like environmental impact studies or create monitoring systems to find pollution and then make a plan to try and eliminate them, all while maintaining a balance between the needs of the natural environment and the needs of businesses and workers. Some of these scientists go up and down the river, collecting water and testing the quality of the water to make sure it's safe and healthy. And you're going to get to do some of those same tests, just like an environmental scientist. One of the first things you need to do as a scientist is the first step in the science and engineering process. You need to ask a question or define a problem. Our question today is, will this body of water support aquatic life? See, I told you the word aquatic life was going to be important. Before we try to answer that question, let's think about the 4 things that humans need to survive. Humans have to have food, water, shelter, and air. And just like humans, aquatic life needs 4 different things to survive. It's a bit more of a sliding scale, but aquatic life needs the right water temperature, dissolved oxygen, pH level, and turbidity to survive. And we're going to do science experiments to test those 4 things coming up. The first thing we're going to do is a visual observation, which just means what can we see with our eyes? Anytime a scientist is going to test the water quality out in the field, they start with a visual observation. Are there signs of pollution? Any trash or oil slicks on the water? Are there plants and trees growing on the banks? Any signs of aquatic life? What are some examples of freshwater aquatic life that might live there at your water source? Look at the picture of your water source and make your visual observations. Also, come up with some examples of aquatic life that would live at this water source in your area. They're the whole reason we're doing these tests. Make those observations, and then we're going to check our equipment and take proper notes so that our tests can be recorded accurately.